Let's fill out the Arkansas dog bill of sale together, so both the seller and the buyer walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the dog's details. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dog. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. The more specific you are, the stronger the record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies, each side keeps a signed one. If you're selling a dog in this state, here's what you need to know about the bill of sale requirements. First, you must provide the buyer with a written notice of their rights. This notice has to be printed or typed, and here's an important detail. It must be in 10-point boldface type. That notice needs to include several specific pieces of information. You'll need the animal's identifying number, a description of the animal including its breed, sex, and color, the date of sale, the buyer's name, address, and telephone number, and the sales price of the animal. Once you've included all of that, the retail pet store must certify the information by signing the document. Now, about buyer protections. If an animal becomes ill within 10 days following the sale, the buyer has the right to keep the animal and receive reimbursement from the retail pet store for veterinary services from a licensed veterinarian of their choosing, to help cure or attempt to cure the animal. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.